up guys, my name is Luis from OCDetailing, and today we got this real pretty Porsche 911 T-Hybrid Carrera 4 GTS, all those letters and numbers. What we're gonna do to this car is a full wrap, a full PPF wrap on the whole car. My sensei Anthony and I are in charge of this one. We just finished up cleaning up from the other car, and we're gonna start. We're literally about to start. Well, we prep the whole car. We clay bar it, we brush it, we rinse it, we clean the glue wherever it needs to be cleaned, then we start wrapping. Yeah, it's a really pretty color. I think it's gonna look really nice. I really like Porsche 911s. Honestly, my honest reaction or opinion, I don't like convertibles, but it is nice.
Wait, why don't you like convertibles?
I don't know. I don't like this kind of roof, you know? The whole car is so pretty and then you have this material, weird. I don't like it. That's me though, that's me. But I drive a Ford Focus, right? So I can't say much about it. Hello everybody, welcome back. Remember when this puppy was in the ground? It had everything, taillights and everything. Well, look now. Now it's in the air. It has the taillights off. We removed the taillights the way they're supposed to be removed, so we can tuck all the film all the way up to here. And that's gonna give it a nice, clean, invisible look to the car. So that's good. We took all of this apart. My boy, my sensei Anthony, he's taking off the wheel liner, so we can take off the headlights, because we take those too, so we can work the film all the way inside. Right now what I'm doing, I'm clay barring softly all the paint so we can remove the contaminants off of it and make it look brand new. Although it's a 2025, but they do get contamination and stuff even when you just buy it. So you still got to do all this prepping process. We got to brush this too and then rinse it. We've done the hood already. We've done this roof piece, or windshield piece, let's call it, and we've done the spoiler. You can't tell, I know, thank you.
It looks
but
the same.
Exactly, that's the point. You get it now. You get it now. It should look the same. No, it doesn't look the same because it looks shinier and it's protected. So, but this is prepped. The rear bumper is prepped, which is a big piece.
How can someone tell if something's wrapping up? Yeah.
If you really look very closely, very closely, you can't even see it. You can't even see it, but maybe you'll see some, but you have to be like this, right? To see it, and you can see the edge. You can also feel it with your nail. You can go like this, and it feels like sticky. But honestly, that's the only way.
Hi guys, it's Justice. I stole this from Anthony, taking it for a joyride, and I'm putting the top. I thought the top was gonna go a lot faster. I should have timed that better. Alright. Alright, so what I'm currently doing, if Alex is still recording, is I'm trying to see how this back window folds. See if I have extra space. Nah. Okay. Huh? I'm trying to see how the back window folds. Yeah, I was actually explaining it on the yeah. Yeah, okay, so I need it shut. So, it doesn't I was hoping it would give me more space whenever the hatch lifted up, but it doesn't. So that means I need the back window first. Okay. Convertibles are always tricky. There's like a process to them. With convertibles, I have to figure out. So, like if you put your camera in here and you see how little the space is for me to do the back window, like I have to get back here and figure it out. So it's like sometimes whenever with a convertible, it'll lift the whole thing up and then you can prop the convertible top up and you have more space to work. But when the back window folds down first, you're not able to. The only way to figure that out is to open and shut the back and see how it opens. Then I have to do the back window first, because whenever you put the convertible up, all the windows go down. Number one rule when you get your windows tinted, you can't roll down your windows. So I have to go back window first, then I can tint the doors. I have to dry the doors, and then I put the top back up, hoping that then the doors don't rip up as they go down. So that's usually the process of these. So I always have to do the top a couple times to figure out which way it goes, because I don't remember on every convertible. Oh, dude, please talk into it. Like, just like talk right here the whole time.
So check it out over here. Justice is tinting the windows on this GTS 992.2 Cabriolet. So hot.
I don't think it's that fast though.
Why?
It doesn't have a whooshy part.
Bro, this is brain hurts when you don't know your Porsches. There's like 7 Porsches here. How do you not know what these cars are?
I know the glass. Yeah, the glasses. Yeah.
You're like, this one was, the quarter window's much better on this one because the top's removable.
No, this is really hard. That's the hardest window on this car.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
by
I
far.
thought it would be...
No, by far that's the hardest. Then the rear windshield. Yeah.
All right, so what we've discovered is Justice, who claims to be an amazing tinter, sucks because he can't tint this very easy to get to a window.
Yeah, because that obviously just shows you don't know anything about tint. So,
look how easy it is.
Yeah, and then look how much room I have to. Literally, there's no room to hide the edge here.
So you suck.
So you have like you run the risk of a light gap, the film, but like folding up over here. You got to file this edge.
We're gonna have to talk about your attitude. It's
and
very
then these
bad.
corners. Yeah, these are hard windows.
So now, update. Now we have the fenders wrapped. My sensei over here, Anthony, he's working on the front bumper. Look at this. You can't even tell, right? He's doing the final step, what we do, which is heating up. He already cut the film and everything, and he's heating it down so it stays there. That's about it. We're almost there. Almost there, people. You'll see the final result. It's gonna look mint.
Merry Christmas! On this Christmas Eve, we actually got Santa's sleigh ready. We're gonna put some Christmas lights on it, we're gonna deck it out, and then when the top dropped, they can deliver gifts at lightning speed in this Carrera GTS that we just finished doing this full PPF install. As usual, we've actually done a bunch of these 992.2s now, and we knocked it out of the park. All the edges are wrapped and tucked, everything's as seamless as it can get, and this car's ready to roll. We finished everything off though, because you know, it gets a little bit snowy up in the upper atmosphere where Santa's delivering presents. So we finished this thing off with a ceramic coating and some really cool window tint to make sure Santa stays cool and protected in this thing. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OCDetailing. Please subscribe for more videos.